Hi guys, it's Aji. So for this video, I'm going to be doing this burgundy glittery look. And for this video, I am also going to be featuring this FOCALLURE Uptown Girl eyeshadow palette. Before I start with the makeup tutorial, I just quickly want to say that FOCALLURE will be having a ShopWide sale on Shopee on October 23, and you can get things like this matte velvet lipstick that I used in this video, and also this eyeshadow palette that I will be featuring for this makeup tutorial. Make sure to add everything on your cart and check out on October 23. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I achieved this glittery burgundy eye look, then just keep watching. that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Before this video ends, I just quickly want to say that this video is not sponsored by FOCALLURE, although they did send me these in PR, and I'm just using them willingly because, as you guys know, I really like FOCALLURE products. I think the quality is amazing and they're very good. Kagaya na sabi ko kanina, they will go on sale on October 23 on Shopee, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this look, make sure to give this video a like, and if you like me, make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. And if you want to see more content like this, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!